On August 1st, 2025, the USA did something I still can't believe is real. In a move that shocked the entire world, the White House slapped a 25% tax on everything India sells to America. Washington's goal was to hit India so hard they'd be forced to dump Russia as a partner. But they might have just made the biggest mistake of the century. Instead of breaking India, they might have just started a global earthquake. In an absolutely insane twist, India is refusing to give in. And now, with their backs against the wall, India and Russia are teaming up to launch a new plan that won't just survive America's attack, but could take away the USA's number one spot forever. This is how the world's biggest threat backfired in the most spectacular way possible. The first attack wasn't a missile, it was this piece of paper. Starting August 1st, 2025, President Donald Trump announced that every single thing shipped from India gets a 25% tax. To understand how big of a deal this is, you just have to look at these numbers. The United States is India's biggest customer, buying almost $200 billion worth of stuff in 2024. The US buys nearly 18% of everything India sells to the entire planet. This tax isn't just some tiny fee, it's a sledgehammer to their whole country. Huge industries like medicine, jewelry, and electronics are in a complete meltdown. Experts are saying this single move could actually destroy India's economy. But this was never just about money. The White House literally said they're doing this because India is friends with Russia, especially because they buy their oil and weapons. And the official reason they gave was completely wild. In a social media post, the president said he did it because of India's own high taxes, and I'm quoting here, the most strenuous and obnoxious trade rules in the world. He then connected the tax directly to India buying Russian oil. The message could not be more clear. Be on our team or we will end your economy. It was a crazy ultimatum. If you thought a 25% tax was insane, what Washington is talking about now is completely next level. It's not official yet, but they are seriously floating the idea of an even crazier tax, with some people talking about a 100% tax on any country that keeps buying Russian oil. This threat is an attack on the one thing that keeps India running. For a country of 1.4 billion people, cheap energy is literally everything. Since the war in Ukraine, India has been buying so much cheap Russian oil that it now makes up almost 40% of their total supply. 100% tax would be a complete catastrophe. And the trash talk has gotten even more unbelievable. In a social media post that I cannot believe is real, President Trump said he didn't care what happened, posting, "They can take their dead economies down together for all I care." He also claimed the US does very little business with India, which is just completely false when you look at the almost $200 billion in trade. This combination of insane threats and wild accusations has pushed this whole situation to the breaking point. After an attack like that, everyone thought India would just surrender. They were wrong. India's response was calm but unbelievably firm. They made it 100% clear they will not be bullied, especially when it comes to their security and their partnership with Russia. And now that defiance is turning into a massive plan with Russia to build a shield against America. First, the money counterattack. For years, people have whispered about India and Russia trading in their own currencies to get around the US dollar. Well, now, those talks are on superdrive. They want to build an entirely new payment system so that US sanctions can't even touch them. If they pull this off and start buying oil and weapons with their own money, a huge chunk of America's power just vanishes. This is a direct shot at the US dollar's control over the entire world. Second, the military part. This will blow your mind. The US has been trying to get India to buy its best weapons for years. But by threatening them over Russia, the US made it impossible for India to ever consider buying American. More than half of India's military equipment comes from Russia. You can't just replace that overnight. It's literally impossible. So the American plan to split them up had the complete opposite effect. It just proved to India that they should stick with a partner like Russia, who gives them incredible technology without the political blackmail. And for Russia, this is a golden opportunity. With the West trying to shut them out, India is the perfect partner to build a new alliance. Russia basically told the US they would stand by their friends. And now they are offering India even better deals on energy and weapons, creating a super team that America accidentally built itself. So, what does all this mean? We could literally be watching the biggest strategic blunder of the 21st century. By trying to force everyone to do what it wants, the United States may have just destroyed its relationship with the world's biggest democracy, a country it desperately needs as an ally. The US just assumed that if they made India choose, they'd obviously pick America. This just proves they don't understand India at all. India has a simple policy. It doesn't work for anyone. It doesn't want to be America's sidekick. It wants to be its own world power. This ultimatum from America is being seen as an attack, not just on their money, but on their independence. This whole crisis is also like throwing gasoline on a fire that terrifies the US. The rest of the world ditching the dollar. Every single time the US uses money as a weapon, it gives countries like India, Russia, and China another reason to build their own system and get rid of it. This is not a game. A massive trade war between the world's number 1 and number 5 biggest economies would have insane consequences for every single one of us. Supply chains would shatter, gas prices would go to the moon, and everything you buy would cost more. It really looks like the era of the US telling every other country what to do is coming to an end. The rules of the game have been reset, not because America wanted it, but because of its own mistake. A 25% tax that was supposed to punish a country has accidentally created a super team, pushing India and Russia closer than ever before. The United States tried to flex its power, but instead, it may have just shown the entire world its greatest weakness. The threat to create a dead economy wasn't met with fear, but with a mind-blowing counterattack that could change the world for the next 100 years. But this leaves us with a giant question. Is this new India-Russia alliance a real threat to the US? Or will the insane economic pressure from America eventually make one of them crack? What do you think India's next move should be? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see what happens next in this crazy story, you have to subscribe and hit the notification bell because you are not going to want to miss it.